is going on, everybody? Today I want to show you why we don't want to use a glue stick in our mustache and why you want to use all natural products like sudden death instead. So a lot of people will say when you're styling your mustache, hey, just take that glue stick, rub it in, and then you'll be set. And I will admit it will hold a mustache, but it's going to do so much damage to your hair, and all the chemicals that are in here are just going to sit under your nose. You will breathe them in all day. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison using our purple glue stick on one half of my mustache, and then we're going to use sudden death on the other half. I'm going to show you how easy and how hard it is to use each of them, and we'll talk about some of the benefits to wax over the harmful effects of a glue stick. So first up, what everyone wants to see is the glue stick in the mustache. So all we're going to do, we're going to take the cap off. We'll do it a little bit different just because my mustache is a bit bigger than what you see the glue stick videos talking about. But all I'm going to do is separate it out just like I normally would to make sure we're not cross-contaminating the glue stick and the wax. We'll get some glue out, and we're just gonna paint it on there. Get some glue. See, look, I've already lost a hair from that glue stick, and that did pull out of my face. And you can't even flick it off your finger. Normally with wax you can just put my ring on, and that is still there, just to show you how ridiculous that is. The application isn't terrible. I will admit putting it on from a chapstick on these longer hairs is a bit tougher, but if you're just right here, it does paint on fairly nicely. It's just really hard to tell where that glue is getting and where it's not. As opposed to the sudden death, which is probably going to offer the same, if not stronger hold. It's going to be much easier to apply into the mustache. So I just kind of threw some glue in there. We'll still attempt the comb and see what happens. That is so thick. That does not feel good. And you can see, like, it's not spreading that glue through these hairs like wax will. So we'll try and spread it with my hand. And you can see it's like starting to flake in. So the hold is already not the best. And it smells like a kindergartner's book bag. Like, I don't want to smell that all day. We'll hold off on putting a second pass. I will treat this as close to sudden death as possible. So we will eventually put a second layer on to see if I can tighten it up. But it's not holding. You can already see like these hairs are starting to fall apart. So we'll take a bit of sudden death, and I'll be nice. I'll use less than I typically would to give the glue stick an even better fighting chance. So this is a fraction of the wax that I normally use in a styling. And this is honestly probably less or about the same of what I used from that glue stick. Now, unlike the glue stick, you can't just rub it straight in. You do have to soften it just by rubbing it between your fingers. But I mean, boom, just like that, it's ready to apply. Again, we'll try and keep the mustache separated from the glue. So after applying the wax, a very small amount to what I normally do, I didn't pull any hairs out using that, and you saw I did actually yank one with the glue stick. It already comes through so much smoother. When I combed through the glue, it was almost like I was combing through sand. Like it was really heavy. This is nice and light. I'm not catching any hairs, spreading that wax out. And you can see it already holds a nice tighter and cleaner shape than that glue stick. So with the same amount of glue to wax, you can see that the wax side is already a nice tighter, more smooth looking curl. As where there's a bunch of stray hairs everywhere, the hold's not really there. Like I said, I will give the glue stick a fighting chance. I will do one pass with sudden death, and I'll actually add a second pass with the glue stick. The second pass, instead of just applying it like a glue stick, I'm actually going to scrape it right off the top, and we will work that bit into the mustache. So we'll work it just a little bit so I can transfer it maybe a little better. I mean, it is gross. And we'll take the comb back through. It is so hard to comb through. You can feel it pull a lot harder. Like it doesn't just comb through. You're really fighting. Like right there, that's catching hairs hard. You can see it won't even stick to itself. Like the wax, I can actually tack it to the back of the mustache, keep this really nice tight curl. On this side, I mean, you got stray hairs the whole way through the mustache, and they will not go in. And this is using more glue than there is wax. And you can also feel that the wax is, or the glue, unlike the wax, is just sitting on top of the hairs. It's not deep. Like back in here, there's no glue. That's just hair. So the glue stick isn't spreading throughout the hairs. You're not getting near the hold, and you're just loading your mustache with a ton of harmful chemicals that are A, going to damage your hair, and B, damage the skin that's underneath it, which will prevent any future healthy hair growth for your facial hair. I'm going to read the ingredients for sudden death right off the tin. So you have beeswax, shea butter, coconut oil, and pine rosin. All natural products that are being used to hold your mustache in place, keep your hairs healthy, and not irritate the skin underneath. Or, in some cases, irritate internal organs, like this glue stick. The main ingredient in glue stick is, sorry if I butcher this, but it's polyvinyl pyrrolidone, something like that, which has been associated with lung scarring, especially after repetitive use. So if you're constantly using a glue stick on your mustache, you're damaging your hairs. You're damaging the skin underneath it, causing irritation, clogging pores, but also as you breathe and you breathe in this glue, it can cause lung scarring after time. So the more you use it, the more internal damage you'll do. As where your all-natural mustache wax isn't going to get in your nose because that wax isn't a scarring product. You're also not inhaling it like you will a glue stick.